Had you ever been adjusted before coming here?
This is my first time.
Were you nervous at all beforehand?
I was pretty scared. I was
Yeah.
a little apprehensive.
And then after the first visit, how did you feel? How was it as far as the fear? Was it completely allayed?
Yeah, because I feel like the first consultation, you educated me on what needs to be done, how it's going to be done, and that kind of just eased my pain and anxiety, because just knowing that I'm in, proper, good hands.
No, good. I appreciate that. All right, please breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in again and let it out. Good. Stay right there. I want to adjust right here. Good. Okay. Now turn onto your back, please. We're looking for adjustments that make a big loud crack. Good. Swing out.